Hi, this is Ms. Johnson. Today I would like to show you how to share documentation about your students with your administrators using Google Sheets. We're going to use the SB 100 Intervention Sheet doc as our example. And the three things I want you to learn are how to make a copy, how to rename and duplicate the tabs, and how to share that back to your administrators. So let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so anytime someone sends you a link or shares a Google Doc with you, you click on that link and it should open to an original master document sent by that person. The first step you must take is to go to File and Make a Copy. It's really important that you make a copy of the document because we want every teacher to have an individual copy of their own data that they're going to share back with their administrators. And we want to keep our original document, a master copy, nice and clean with no one typing over it. So once you've clicked File and Make a Copy, you can then change the name of your document to your name so you can tell the difference between them. And simply click OK. It will then open your document. I know that this is my document and not the original because I can see in the title my name that I changed the title to. Okay, and you can continue to edit that title as needed. Alright, the next thing you need to know is as you've opened this up, you can see that you are on the tab called Sample. This red data that's entered in here it's just sample example information for your own information. If you click on Student 1 or Student 2, you can see you have a blank, clean page to start a new student on. So to rename those tabs for your own students, you simply double-click on the tab and you can change the names of those students. Just double-click and we change the names. Now, you may want to record information on more than 3 students. So what we want to do is duplicate a tab. If we just add a sheet, we could hit the plus button, but when we do that, we don't get all the formatting. So we don't want to do that. So I'm going to delete that sheet that I added. And I actually want to click on this arrow and go to Duplicate. And when I duplicate, I now have a tab called Copy of Student 3. And again, I just double click and change the name of that student. Now I have 4 tabs of students. And you could continue and do a whole class set of tabs for this information. So you can rename and duplicate the tabs. The last thing I want to remind you is to share this out. You have a couple of options. Simple option, just hit the blue share button, type in your administrator's email and directly share it to them. You can also click on a link and copy this link. Do you want them to only be able to view it, or do you want them to also be able to edit it? That becomes important in case you're sharing it as a team, a grade level team. Make sure you choose how you want them to be able to view that document. You would hit send. Okay, another way that you can share this out is you can go to File and download it as a PDF or a Microsoft Excel spreadsheet if you feel more comfortable with that, and then you can email that document as well. But it really is easiest to hit the blue share button. If you have any questions, please let me know. Thank you.